Hi children, welcome to all that are second standard students. Now I take that EVS. This year you are post first standard, now join that second standard. Listen, now I go to that lesson. We are daily eat that 3 times take that food. Which time you know that? Morning time, afternoon and night. That morning time we take breakfast. That afternoon time you take that lunch. Night time dinner. So each day we take 3 times food. Okay. Why we take food? Why we eat food? The food is very important in our life because the food give us energy, body building and protect our body. So we must take food daily. You take balanced diet food. What is the meaning of balanced diet? That right amount of all the food. For example, cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk, all the types of food you take, but not include too much or too little. So, you take right amount of all the food. Now see that I am 58 years old. Nowadays, I very brisk do my work. Why? I take balanced diet food. Daily I take any one greens in my food. So, children, you also take daily one greens. Okay. We have different kinds of food. That 3 types of food. What are they? Energy giving food, body building food, productive food. What is the meaning of energy giving food? The energy giving food, we give that very energy, healthy. What are the energy giving food? Rice, wheat, ghee, that we say that cereals, we say that ragi, maize, solam we say that, no? That is a energy giving food. Next one, body building food. That body building, that these foods are give that shape of our body and grow that our body. What are they? Milk, fish, chicken, that is a body building food. Productive food, fruit, vegetable, greens. The productive food are fight the disease, that virus. So, now that corona time, all the doctors and all the health unit say that you take daily different types of fruits, vegetables, greens. Why? That food are fight the disease. Nama odambula and the virus oda fight panni endha disease varama paathukom. So, daily you take any one fruit, vegetable, greens. Okay. Next, we are drink daily 8 to 10 glasses of water because the water helps to digestion. That medium heat water you take that digestion problem is solved. Next, we are some of that people are take only vegetable, greens, fruits, they only we eat. That people are called vegetarian. Those who are take only vegetable, they called vegetarian. Some of that people take fish, meat, chicken and also that vegetable. That type of people called non-vegetarian. Maximum all are know that 2 types of people, vegetarian, non-vegetarian. But that another one type of people also have. that people are called vegan. What is the meaning of vegan? Those who are not take milk product, because the milk also give that animal, no. So which people not take that milk product, mutton, chicken, beef, that people are called vegan. So 3 types of people are live now: vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan. Vegetarian only eat vegetable, fruits, milk only. Non-vegetarian, milk, vegetable, fruit, fish, egg, meat, chicken. Vegan only eat fruit and vegetable. Okay. Now I go to say some D words for this lesson. Now I give this lesson 10 D words today. That next class also I give that fill up and D words. So all are take your book. Whatever words I write it, that words you underline that book. Or you have a book? No. Why? You didn't get that book? Please, first you get the book, then only you study well that. Now I write that D words, you underline that words in the book, then only you read that. Okay? See that. D words. First one, food. What is the spelling of food? F-O-O-D, food. F-O-O-D, food. Second one, energy. Second one, energy. Second one, energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. Third one, work. Third one what? Work. Third one, work. W-O-R-K, work. Fourth one, play. Fourth one what? Play. P-L-A-Y, play. P-L-A-Y, play. Fifth one, strong. You take correct balanced diet, you are a strong children. Fifth one, strong. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Fifth one what? Strong. F-O-O-D, food. E-N-E-R-G-Y, energy. W-O-R-K, work. P-L-A-Y, play. S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. Sixth one, healthy. Sixth one what? Healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Sixth one what? Healthy. H-E-A-L-T-H-Y, healthy. Seventh one, lunch. Seventh one, lunch. When you take that lunch, very good. Afternoon meals are called lunch. Very good. 8. Dinner. When you take the dinner, very good. Night time. Night meals are called dinner. D-I-N-N-E-R. Dinner. Ninth one, rice. Daily we take that lunch, rice only maximum in South India. South India main food what? Rice. Very good. Rice. R-I-C-E. Rice. Okay. South India main meals is rice. So northern side what? Wheat. We are prepare that chapati. That what flour? that wheat flour only we prepare that chapati or buri. So, northern side main food what? Wheat. W H E A T. That wheat main crops in northern side that grow very well in Punjab state. That rice in our Tamil Nadu state, that Tanjore district main crop grow in that Tanjore. So today you study well that 10 D words. Take your book, underline these words, then read again and again well. That next class I want all keep your book in your hand. Okay? Now listen. Food, energy or play, strong, healthy, lunch, dinner, rice, wheat. Thank you.